It's good to see you again, Jeff. Question, it never fails, but every time we have a hailstorm in my neighborhood, about a day later, I see at least 2, maybe 3 different roofing company trucks stopping at everybody's property saying, hey, we'll check your roof and get you a free one with insurance. And it sounds kind of scamish, and I know there's some scammy stuff out there. And I thought, can you tell folks, how do you spot a scam in the roofing industry?
That's actually a really great question. At Triple Peaks Roofing, we make sure that we have a roofer that's actually inspecting the roof and not a salesperson that might have went through 1 or 2 weeks of online training, and they think that a hailstorm, even a small pea-sized hailstorm, is going to do any kind of damage to a roof. And they're at your house knocking on your door, telling you how they could see hail damage from the ground. And it's impossible to see hail damage from the ground about the roof, okay? You actually have to be physically on the roof inspecting that roof for hail damage. There are things that you could look at from the ground that will tell you if you have damage at your house, but you're not gonna have damage unless it's a 1-inch hail ball or greater that fell down. So the small hail that we get in Northeast Ohio generally doesn't mean that you actually have damage. It just means that a little bit of hail came down.
That's great. It's good to know. Are there other things you got to look out for? Other types of scams that somebody should be aware of?
Yeah, for sure. I've seen people forcing individuals to sign a contingency, telling them, "Hey, we're insurance specialists, and we're going to take care of the insurance company for you." I have always told our customers, you, as the insured, have the most control over how your insurance pays for a claim. What you want is to hire a roofing contractor to come out, do a formal inspection, pay them for a formal inspection. That way you get pictures of if things are damaged or not damaged. If it's damaged, now you have a good presentation you can give to your insurance company and say, I do have damage. This is the company that we used. They are certified through HAG or another agency that they've gone through some training for this. Some other things that you want to look out for, what I've seen, out-of-town plates. You've never heard of them. You look them up online and they have absolutely no presence online. There's not a company out there that has started in the last 10 years that doesn't have some sort of online presence. Even I was forced into Facebook when Facebook first came out, and I'm a non-social media guy, and I was forced into it. And I now have a complete YouTube channel that I use to try to inform homeowners, hey, even if they've done 40 roofs in your area, it doesn't mean you're going to get a great job.
Well, I tell you, it's great to get inside information on this, Jeff. It really is, because nobody knows what to look for, and we're just homeowners. Want our roof to work. So great to get your insight. Really appreciate it. If you got a problem with your roof and you want somebody to take a look at it, Triple Peaks Roofing, you got to consider them because they've been doing this a long time and have a lot of integrity and a lot of great work behind them. TriplePeaksRoofing.com. Check it out.